Hi everyone. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to run through a quick example of how you can use AI Assist in FME 2024 to help create regular expressions. So the first thing that I've added to the workspace here is a random user creator, and I've set that up to generate 10 records that have just fictional user data, for example, first names, last names, locations, emails, passwords, but also phone numbers. So we can see here in this phone number field, we've got phone numbers in the format of 3 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits. And what I'd like to check is if all of those records follow that same phone format. You can see on screen up here that I have created an incorrect phone number record just for the purposes of testing here. And I've just added in an additional digit at the end of one of those records. So to test the data, I'm going to add in a test filter on screen here. I'm going to connect up our inputs, and this one is our incorrect record, but in real world data, we're not going to know if that is the case or not. And I'll click into the test filter to create the query. So I'm going to select our phone number field, and then I'm also going to select contains regular expression, contains regex. And on the right hand side here, I'm going to open up the regex editor, and it opens up this window on screen. And you can see that we have our AI Assist button down here. So I'm going to click on that and we get a third window to open on screen. And we're going to type in the query that we're trying to create in this top window. So I'm just going to copy and paste this across. And I'm essentially asking, is the string in the format, this format here? So I'm going to click generate, and that'll just take a couple of moments to run. We can see now that it has returned a regular expression, and that's in this box here. It does also give an example of test strings, and then it also gives an explanation window down here too, which is very useful. So it tells you what each element in the expression is doing. So I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to close that, and then I'm going to click OK again. And the regular expression gets input into this right-hand value here. For the output port, I'm going to type in correct format. So anything that satisfies this kind of string condition is going to be in the correct format. And the unfiltered records are going to be the incorrect format in this case. So I'm going to hit run. That'll take another moment to run, hopefully not too long. Perfect. So we can see here that in our correct format output box, we have 9 records. And if we just take a very quick look at the phone number formats, you can see that it's the 3, 3, and 4 the whole way down. And if we go to our incorrect output port, and I scroll across, you can see here that this phone number has an additional digit down on the end here, so it's 5 digits rather than 4. So it didn't satisfy that regular expression. But yeah, that's a very quick way to use AI Assist to help form regular expressions in FME.